This is a brief introduction to the loop cut tool. So let me go to get to the loop cut tool, you have to go into edit mode. The loop cut tool is here. So I'll activate it. Hover over the object. Now I'm not clicking the mouse yet. Okay, so that's where the cut will appear if I click now. So, but what you can do is you can click and hold. And if you click and hold, you can slide back and forth and determine where you want to cut. Okay, so I'll just put it back in the middle. I'll let go of the mouse, and that's where the cut's going to be. Now I can open the panel here for the loop cut and slide, and I can increase the number of cuts. Is one thing I can do. Another interesting attribute here is the smoothness. Now the default is 0. Now if I go, the closer I go to 1, the more rounded and spherical it will be. So let me just click on this and show you. That's taken a long time. So let me input 0.5. Okay, that's at 0.5, and let me input 1. Now, if I go into the negative, below 0, things change here. So let me go negative 0.5. See? Now, with the smoothness, if the smoothness is not at 0, you can mess around with this other attribute called fall off, and it's best just to like experiment with this and see the differences. Like if I go to linear, it gets a less of a curve there, but it depends on the number of cuts and the initial shape that you start with. But this is all cool stuff. You can play around with the smoothness and fall off if you have several cuts. You can change the shape of the object.